Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yandan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch Indian Space Association at 11 a.m. today via video conferencing. He will also interact with representatives of the space industry on this landmark occasion. Indian Space Association is the premier industry association of space and satellite companies, which aspires to be the collective voice of the Indian space industry. It will undertake policy advocacy and engage with all stakeholders in the Indian space domain, including the government and its agencies. India has completed administration of 95 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses. Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya said in a tweet that India is marching rapidly towards administering 100 crore vaccine doses. He said the world's largest successful vaccination drive is in full swing and asked people to get vaccinated quickly and encourage friends and family to do the same. The Union Health Ministry said the COVID recovery rate in the country now stands at 97.99%. The Ministry of Coal has reassured that ample coal is available in the country to meet the demands of power plants. It said any fear of disruption in the power supply is entirely misplaced. The domestic coal-based power generation has grown by nearly 24% this year based on a robust supply from the coal companies. The ministry said due to extended monsoons, the dispatches were constrained. The coal available at the power plants is a rolling stock which gets replenished by the supplies from the coal companies on a daily basis. It said any fear of coal stocks depleting at the power plants and is erroneous. It said Coal India Limited is set to increase this supply to more than 16 lakh tons per day by the end of this month. Home Minister Amit Shah has said Prime Minister Narendra Modi works with the aim of India first, and the goal of PM Modi is not to stay in power but to change the country. Describing Modi as the biggest reformer, Amit Shah said that he made a new model of development that echoes from Gujarat to Delhi. Shah added that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas is his government's goal. In an interview with Sansad TV, he described Prime Minister as the most democratic leader. Shah said that he had the opportunity to work with Modi both in the opposition as well as in the government, and said he had never met a listener like home. Centre has imposed stock limits on edible oils to soften the prices of edible oils in the domestic market. Consumer Affairs Ministry said the Department of Food and Public Distribution has imposed stock limits on edible oils and oil seeds for a period up to 31st March next year. The ministry said the decision will bring great relief to consumers across the country. The high prices of edible oil in international market have a substantial impact on the domestic edible oil prices. In cricket, Chennai Super Kings sealed a spot in finals of the IPL 2021 as they beat Delhi Capitals by 4 wickets in Qualifier 1 in Dubai last night. Chasing a target of 173 runs set by Delhi Capitals, Chennai Super Kings achieved the target in 19.4 overs with the help of 70 by Ruturaj Gaikwad and 63 by Rupin Uddappa. Earlier put into bat, Delhi Capitals made 172 for the loss of 5 wickets in the stipulated 20 overs. Chennai will now play the finals on Friday in Dubai, while Delhi will get one more chance for an entry in the finals as they will play in Qualifier 2 on Wednesday. Royal Challengers Bangalore will face Kolkata Knight Riders in Eliminator today, where the winner will play Qualifier 2 versus Delhi Capitals. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.